The day your life changes is the day you stop waiting to be chosen. Stop begging for approval. Stop chasing loyalty. Stop shrinking your hunger so weak people can feel safe around you. That isn't humility, that's self-betrayal. A man who waits to be chosen has already surrendered his throne. Machiavelli understood what most men are too emotional to accept. Power doesn't belong to the most deserving. It belongs to the one who understands himself, controls himself, and makes himself rare, necessary, and impossible to replace. Today, 9 Machiavellian shifts that move a man from available to untouchable. Number 8 is the one that decides whether anyone can ever control you again. Number 1. Choose yourself before they use you. The world doesn't reward the man who's always available. It consumes him, then calls him selfish the moment he finally says no. People don't value what costs them nothing, and they don't fear losing what keeps returning without consequence. Give unlimited access, and they'll mistake your patience for permission. Stop over-explaining your boundaries to people with empty hands. You don't chase anymore. You attract. You don't ask to be valued, you decide. Number 2, make yourself rare. You got disrespected because you're too available, too quick to reply, too ready to explain, too willing to return after being ignored. Sometimes people don't destroy what they hate. They destroy what they know will always stay. Scarcity creates weight. Machiavelli knew perception rules the battlefield. It's not enough to be valuable. You must be perceived as valuable. Predictable men are easy men to control because their weak point is already known. Stop being emotionally readable. Number 3. Starve the need for validation. The moment your worth depends on someone's reaction, they own a piece of you. They can lift you with attention and punish you with silence. That's not love, that's control. Your validation now comes from discipline. Promises kept where no one's watching. Standards held when loneliness tests your spine. Number 4. Build a life they can't enter without permission. A weak man lives with open doors. Anyone can disturb his peace with one sentence. Your mind is territory, and territory without borders gets invaded. Stop telling your plans to people who enjoy your confusion. Privacy is power. Move in silence. Let results speak like thunder. Number 5. Let them lose access to you. Calmly, without a speech, without revenge. Access to you is a privilege, not a right, and privileges get removed. Dark psychology teaches that most people don't respond to love. They respond to limits. They won't value your presence until your absence becomes permanent. If they only respected you when you were giving, fixing, and sacrificing, they never respected you. They respected the benefits of your weakness. Number 6. Turn self-obsession into discipline. This isn't vanity. It's becoming addicted to your own growth. Take the rejection, the anger, the pain, and convert it into structure. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is political. It's how you govern your inner kingdom, one habit, one law at a time. Number 7. Master emotional control. The world studies your reactions more than your words. They're measuring what controls you, so they can press the button whenever they want power over you. Stop giving instant reactions. Pause. Let silence stand between the insult and your response. A man who reacts from emotion becomes predictable, and predictable men are easy to defeat. Number 8. The shift that locks everything else in. Become the standard. Stop asking where you belong and start becoming what others rise to reach. Most men bend their voice and trade their edge for acceptance. That's how power dies. Status never gathers around the man who looks hungry for permission. It gathers around the man who moves with certainty and can stand alone without looking abandoned. Build your name so strongly that people feel your absence as a consequence, not an inconvenience. Number 9. Choose yourself and become untouchable. Not when they apologize, when you decide you're no longer available for self-betrayal. The true test isn't how strong you look when life is easy. It's how controlled you stay when the old version of you would have folded. This is cold power, not cruelty, not revenge, protection. Choose your peace before their drama, your mission before their opinions, your silence before unnecessary explanations, your growth before temporary pleasure. Let them call you distant. Let them call you cold. Let them call you changed. A king doesn't step down from his throne because the crowd misunderstands his crown. If this shifted something in you, the next video breaks down exactly how to master shift number 7, emotional control, under real pressure, step by step. Go watch that one next.